Hello. Evening Gala session शुरू होबले से. Music enjoy kurole mon jakan. Ahigina main arena de jaga de buhi jabale request करे दिया से. Good evening. A very good evening. Good evening. Tanda do ase Livi. We are all here to, warm ourselves up, right? Deri bhi hoishe, but thank you for joining us. With warm hearts and festive spirit, I, Ichi Wangnya, who will be your MC for the second night, Hornbil Evening Gala, International Hornbill Festival, Mon Edition 2025, welcome each and every one of you. We are unfortunately, our honored guest, Sri Wangpang Konyak, couldn't be here with us tonight, but we are very fortunate and privileged that we have a very special guest who is Sir Nguyen Mong Yim Kyung, President ENSF. Thank you so much, sir, for coming and joining us tonight. So we'll start with the event, shall we? Okay, before that, we have I would like to call upon our special guest, Sri Nguyen Mong Yim Kyung, to kindly come up on the stage. We have prepared a small token of appreciation for him. To give away, I would like to request Sri Yongwei Konyak, Nodal Officer Konyak Heritage Complex, Deputy Director Duda, to kindly do the honor. Shall we all give a round of applause? Sir, may you kindly take the stage and address the gathering.
A very good evening to all of you. Hello, Mon. Kushi asanai. Thank you. Morumbra amige dikhya daim de sir wangbang khara kure ase gonai bhabi lobi. A very good evening to all of you once again. It is my pleasure to be here with you all. At the outset, I give all thanks and honor to our Almighty God, and I bring warm greetings from the office of the Eastern Naga Students Federation. Firstly, as we come together to celebrate this Hornbill extension here at Konyak Heritage Village, it would be incomplete on our part as a citizen of the Eastern Nagaland to let it go without appreciating the efforts and the kind gesture of our government of the day under the able leadership of our Honorable CM Dr. Nefurio for extending the festival, the International Hornbil Festival, to a place like Mon District, a very vibrant land where we have lots of talents, we have lots of individuals, groups, outshining others in various disciplines in the state and beyond, and bringing laurels to our state and also particularly to Mon District. The recent examples can be drawn to when our Mon District Football Association lifted the famous Dr. 3-hour trophy, in which we also had the privilege to promote a soulful singer like Brother Handok, whose song still enthralls and mesmerizes us. May through this Hornbil Extension Festival here at Konyak Heritage Village garner more talents, harness the young and the old in all aspects, not confining just to education, not just with the culture, tradition, not confining just to sports, but in various capacities we are gifted with. I wish this Hornbill extension the very best, and I would like to express my gratitude to the President of Konyak Union, your esteemed colleagues, the President of the Konyak Students Union, his esteemed colleagues, President of the GNSK, her esteemed colleagues, Department of Duta, for having me and my colleagues in this very evening, and to present myself a short speech to all of you. As we kick off the evening session, I would like to bless my best wishes to all the artists who will be enthralling us with their soulful voices and a meaningful piece of music under their slaves. Thank you. Let's have fun.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presence and for your kind words of encouragement. Now we shall start with the evening gala. Are you excited? Okay, we have some of the finest bands from within Mon District and a guest band from Shillong coming with us. So we'll go ahead with the event. So the first band I would like to call is the Mon Music Society. So before they come and take the stage, before I invite the band on stage, I'd like to share a few words about the Mon Music Society. The society which is behind the evening gala of the International Hornbill Festival Mon Edition 2025, funded by Duda Nagaland. The society was formed in the year 2022 by a few like-minded friends with the vision to encourage and empower the musicians of Mon District. With the support from well-wishers, contributors, the society have organized various musical charity events, musical night, and various beat contests. And tonight, on behalf of the Mon Music Society, I stand here expressing our gratitude to Duda Nagaland for the opportunity given to us. Now, I request the band members to kindly come and take the stage. Now, the Mon Music Society, in the Mon Music Society band, we will have our chairman, W. Nokong, as the vocalist. And we have our joint secretary, Yemai, at the piano. We have Lima, member Lima, bass, Longsa, guitar, Sanjay, guitar, Aman, drums, Noklame, background vocal, Akau Wangsu, background vocal, and I, Secretary Mon Music Society, Ichi Wangyo as your MC. Now the stage is yours.
Check, check, check.
Oh, check, check.
It's gonna be funky. Come on, the pretty girls like you are taken, baby. I've been looking for someone like you to save me. Life's too easy to be so damn complicated. Take your time and I'll be waiting. Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Keep me in mind. And I pray someday that you will love me only. Think about you someday, and the way I would lay you wasting day after day with you. We'll always go our separate ways. The way I would love you, baby, the way I do. Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Keep me in mind. And I pray someday that you will love me only. Well, the world can be rough. Find shelter in me. If there's no one else to love, keep me in mind. If ever you wanted me, I'll be your man. I'll be a fool to let you go with someone else. Whatever you want from me, I'll be your man. I'd give it all up just to have you for myself. Here we go. Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Keep me in mind. And I pray someday that you will love me only. Where the world can be real, won't you hold on to me? When there's no one else to love, keep me in mind. I'll hold you, darling. Keep me in mind. I'll be your man. Keep me in mind. I'll hold you, darling. Keep me in mind. Come on, little mama. Put it on me. Hello, Mon. How are you? How are you feeling? Are you ready to rock with us? Well, we have some groovy songs. If you know the song, you can join with us, okay? All right. So we are all country tonight. So we'll be singing Tennessee Whiskey. Here we go. Do you like country songs? Country गाना ভাল লাগে না লাগে? Do you like country songs? Yeah, chalo. We'll sing together, okay? We would be really, really happy if every one of you participate and sing along with us. Come on, sing along with us. Used to spend my nights out in the barroom, liquor was the only love I've known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom, brought me back from being too far gone. You're a smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're a sweet strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. Found a bottom of a bottle always right. But when you pour out your heart, I didn't waste time, 'cause there's nothing like your love. You get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. Come on! You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. We'll be all country. So we have the last country song again. The devil always make me think twice. So here we go. a smoke in the evening and take a little whiskey on the ice. Never get behind killing my mind. It's just the kind of things I like. Just the kind of things I like. You walking over, I figured I was digging my grave, and you had the shovel. I knew you were trouble, but you're just the kind of trouble I crave. Just the kind of trouble I crave. Mama always set a good example. Daddy always gave me good. Jesus tried to steer me in the right direction, but the devil always make me think twice. Devil always make me think. Someday I'm gonna 6 feet under. When they got me standing at the gate, I'm tired of my sins and won't let me in. Saying, son, you're just a little too late. Son, you're just a little too late. Mama always set a good example. Daddy always gave me good advice. Jesus tried to steer me in the right direction, but the devil always make me think twice. 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 Devil always make me. Devil always make me. Devil always make me think twice. Devil always make me. Devil always make me. Devil always make me think twice. Are you having a good time? Are you enjoying it? Do you like country music? Yeah. So we will be having a lot more artists, bands coming up. So buckle up. All right. Thank you so much.
Well, don't let the energy drop because we are just starting, right? Mon Music Society kan pan tagishina nai. To my right, pan tagishina nai. To my left, pan tagishina nai. Our guest here, pan tagishina nai. Panase. This is Mon, and this is how we greet in our style. Thank you so much, Mon Music Society. Now next we have a band. They were the winner of Music Mania 2.0, organized by the Mon Music Society. They are none other than the Retroverse band. We have Mukul Lebden Imsong as the vocalist, then Sananti Longkumer as the guitarist, Koleke Konyak, bassist, Kesho Sumi, drummer. Now I give time to the Retroverse. Shall we all give a round of applause for the Retroverse band?
Lou, check. Lou, check. Lou, this. Lou, check. Lou, check. Lou.
Hello everyone, how are you feeling tonight? Are you guys having a good time? We are the Retroverse band, all the way from Dimapur. For our very first number, I would like you guys to sing along with me, alright? Can you guys do me a little favor? Please sing this song with me, alright? Whoa, whoa, sing along. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's do it one more time. Whoa, whoa. Let's make some noise. you. I'll cry for you. Wondering why I'm running scared for what I believe in. I know that love is just another word for what I believe in. The sound of your voice, the touch of your skin is holding me. I'm still trying to come to my senses, but I can't look back, so I'm taking my chances. I wanna give you my heart, give you my soul. Come on, sing it! Don't wanna live my life without you, but I know when you're gone. Like the fire needs the spark, like the fool in the car. And I need a cry for you. Let's give it up for Sanatino Kumura guitar. For once in my life, the future is mine. It's holding me, holding me. I'm still trying to come to my senses, but I can't look back, so I'm taking my chances. I wanna give you my heart, give you my soul. I wanna lay in your arms, never let go. Don't wanna live my life without you, but I know when you're gone. Like the fire needs to spark, like food in the car. Sing it! And I need a cry for you. Whoa. Come on, let me hear you sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh,
Hello, check. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, check.
Are you guys having a great time? Let me hear you scream. Louder. All right. Come on, make some noise. It's been so long that I haven't seen your face. I'm trying to be strong, but the strength I have is wasting away. I won't be long before I get you by my side and just hold you, tease you, squeeze you, tell you what's been on my mind. I wanna make up right now. I wanna make up right now. Wish we never broke up right now. We need to link up right now. I wanna make up right now. I wanna make
Hello, check.
How you guys feeling? All of the chroma is na? All right. This will be our last number. It's a very common song. I want you guys to sing along with me, all right? I'm pretty sure you guys know this song. So come on, let's all sing together, all right? They sing songs for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for the fainty body. I ain't gonna be just a place in the crowd. You gotta hear my voice when I shout it out loud. Come on! I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Ferguson, I take my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. This is for the ones that stood their ground. With Tommy and Cheetah, who never back down. Tomorrow's dead and gotta make no mistake. Love can even love, you gotta make your own way. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Mine is like an open highway. Like Fergie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Mine is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it now. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Yes, my life. Thank you very much. We are Retroverse. Thank you.
Clap louder and shout louder for the Retroverse band. The weather is cold, but the music is hot, isn't it? Yes. And this is a special request for all the music lovers. The carpet that is arranged right at the center of the arena is for you. You can come, you can jump, you can warm yourself up, okay? Yes, please enjoy the music. Now next we have Mictum Band coming to perform for us tonight. We have Man Lee as the vocalist, Man Ngoy as the bassist, Along at the guitar, and Mr. Aching as the drummer. And they were the first runner-up of Music Mania 2.0. Let's welcome the Mictum with a round of applause. Once again, for those seated at the gallery, Thanda se koile ivy, carpet te ivy, that is specially arranged for you. Apni kan ahai gina dare occupy kuro pariwode koi gina janai diase.
Three. Hello, people of Mon. Are you all guys enjoying? Come on, are you all guys enjoying? So we are the Mictambain. So all the way you come from to the town. This song is very convincing, so if you all know this song, please sing along with us. She's indecisive, she can't decide. She keeps on looking from the left to right. Girl, come a little closer, look in my eye. Searching is so wrong. You seem like the time to love and believe it and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out of dancing alone. So give you mine, 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 mine. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. I'm trying to be wine, 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 wine. I wish my heart can come together as one. Cause Shawty is a itty, bitty, money, more lover. Shawty is a itty, bitty, money, more lover. next song is called The Warning Disciple. The world isn't ending, he's starting again. But all the non-believers that keep on pretend that suddenly is your enemy today. I'm running from the misery like there's no tomorrow. They share it with them and welcome you step into the new morning crisis. Oh, I've been waiting. These thankful in them naked. The power, grip your hand, your eyes will bleed as you stare at the screen. You shall remain inside your space. 2 and 3, go! The sun is my enemy today. Misery like there's no tomorrow. They share it with them. They show all the role that this life is a borrowed time. I've been waiting. These thankful in the make. Kill the system, kill the mind. Strip the power, grip your hand. Your eyes will meet as you stare at the screen. You shall remain inside your space. Swimming fish and fish still the drown. Love is just another excuse we rely on. People who are hiding in the sound. Heaven who must be a good friend when the sun goes down.
A round of applause for the Mictum Band once again. I can't see anyone seated there or standing there in the center of the arena. Why is that? Center of the arena, the carpet is all set for you, for all the music lovers. Or is it because you're shy? Soram lagi siya. Chukri kan guitar mari ginagawa soram lagi siya. Nahoy, right? Right? Come and fill the arena. Center the ivy. Next band kando apni kan center field nakuradak nahibo ko ese. What shall we do? Mon, let's check your energy level, okay? On the scale of 1 to 10, I want you to scream your number, all right? Okay, first I'll start with those seated in the right. Scale your energy in the scale 1 to 10. Shout your number. Scream your number. I can't hear you. Scale your energy from 1 to 10. Again, 1 to 10. It's 10 from the right and 1 to 10 for those on my left. 10. And to those seated right in front of us, scale your energy 1 to 10. Okay, that is the energy that we need. Now, the only thing missing is the arena, the center of the arena. Come, join the band, sing, dance, warm yourself up. All right? Okay, now. Mano gana gai gai gina right? You can do that, right? Okay, next we have. Okay, I'm just gonna read their bio and then you can guess it yourself, okay? They were the winner of Music Mania 1.0 organized by the Mon Music Society in the year 2024. Can you guess? Any guesses? No? Okay, another. So they have also performed in various beat contests, including the NIT, and also in the various music festival organized in and around Nagaland. So put your hands together for the Vikings! So we have Youngman Lukim as the vocalist, Chungshid Satir as lead guitarist, Honche Gopal, rhythm guitarist, and Wanglam W. Konyak, bassist, accompanied by Manya Konyak at the drums. Put your hands together for the Vikings.
Check. Hello, check, check, check.
Hello, people of Mon! Are you guys here with me tonight? Will you guys sing with me if I sing some songs for you all? Okay, so let's go. I won't say the Gana nam no kwede. I'll just sing, okay? So if you guys know, let us all sing together, okay? One, two, three, go! Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. They were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you, and everything you do. They were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. They were all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so. I drew a line, I jumped across for you, and all the things you do. They were all yellow. I drew a line, I jumped across for you,
and all the things you do, they were all yellow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I feel myself cry. Tears stream down your face, there's something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Thank you. And then sorry, hello, na electric la saman kan dala bina kita ba hoy jay. But next song na will rock you guys, okay? So there's gonna be more interesting songs. I'll see now with it.
Hello, check.
Hello, check people.
इतिहास तो ना साउंड चेक ही थे किसने साउंड चेक ही थे असल गाना गाओले मुझे ऐसा नहीं अम्नियन अम्नियन सब जाना ला गाना गाओ दे so if you guys can come around here now I would be really happy okay इकिलो गाना गुरु ले किले मैं इकला गुरु ना गरम भी लगे ऐसो Are you guys ready to jump with me tonight? Are you guys ready? I can't see you. I can't see you, man. Okay. Gana Gan, all of you guys will know this song, okay? So when I start singing, I want all of you to come together so that we can sing. I'll give the mic also. So I want you guys to come here and sing together. Will you do that? Let's go.
जरा से दिल में दे जगह तू जरा सा यादों में बसा जरा सा ख्वाबों में सजा तू जरा सा अपना बेपना मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जा बेपना फिदा हो तुझ पे Rija Pepana. Whoa, whoa, Zara se dil mein de jaga Zara sa yaadon mein basa Zara sa ख्वाबों में जरा सा यादों में बचा मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जा बेपना फिदा हो तुझ पे मेरी जा बेपना Say कदमों में रख दूँ ये जहां मेरे इश्क दीवानगी नहीं है नहीं आशिक कोई मुझसा तेरा तू मेरे लिए बंदगी तुझको मेरी जा बेपना फिदा हो तुझ पे मेरी जा बेपना Sing along Whoa, whoa, whoa मैं चाहूँ तुझको मेरी जा बेपना फिदा हो तुझ पे मेरी जा बेपना Say everybody come on Whoa, whoa,
I don't know if you guys liked it or not, but thank you so much, brothers. We're gonna be singing another rock song, okay, for you guys. And I won't be singing alone. I want you guys to sing as well. Can I see some more people here so that we can enjoy together? We can make the night wonderful and interesting. You guys know this song, right? Let's sing together, okay? Asmahe gila kyu body gila gila kyu Goli kyu head of me Silk mein hai dar mein kyu aag mein hai kyu No do paanch kyu nahi Ped ho gaya ye computer hai ye mosam kyu Chand do kyu nahi Duniya mein hai jang kyu behta lal Kyu sarhade hai kyu har kahin Sota hai Ye tune kya kabhi Sota hai ये है ये क्या सभी सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी बस तो है रूप तारी क्यों है टूटते बर्फ गिरती है क्यों दुनिया में है जंगे क्यों बेहतला रंग क्यों सरहदें है क्यों हर कहीं सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी सोचा है ये है ये क्या सब सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी सन्नाटा सुनाई नहीं देता और हवाएं दिखाई नहीं देती सोचा है क्या कभी होता है ये क्यों 1, 2, 3, go! Let us all sing together, okay? Before singing this part, I would like to introduce you all to my band members, okay? We have Jongshi on the lead, come on everybody! We have Mr. Honjae on the rhythm, come on! We have on the drums, Mr. Manyao, come on! We have on the bass, Mr. Wonglin. And this is your front man, Young Man. You all know this part, right? So let us all sing together, okay? Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, everybody. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Once again, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Asma hai gila kyun baat gila gila kyun Goli kyun hai zameen Silk mein hai narmi kyun aag mein garmi kyun Do और दो पांच क्यों नहीं सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी कि है ये क्या सभी सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी ये है ये क्या सभी सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी
everybody. This is the Vikings band signing up for tonight.
Mon, shall we continue or shall we stop the evening gala here? Shall we continue or shall we stop the evening gala here? Continue. When I say Mon, you say Vikings, okay? Mon. When I say Mon, you say Vikings, all right? Mon. Mon. Once again, Mon. A round of applause for the Viking band. Next, we have another band performing for us. They are the band that was formed in the year 2018. They were the winner of Open Harmony Beat Contest 2018. They were also the winner of Ticket to Hornbil 2019. The bassist of this band was also awarded the best bassist in the Open Harmony Beat Contest, and they have represented Mon District at Hornbil Music Festival 2019. Mon, let's welcome the Alive band on the stage. The band members are as follows. Vocals will be Noklem Longsa on the guitar, Lima on bass, Vikram and Nyaiwang on drums.
Hello, hello. Is there any metalheads in the house tonight? Ivan, mother fill up, put in there, come on. Let's warm ourselves, come on. Let's bang tonight together. Are you ready? Hello, hello. Come on, everybody! Sing with me if you know the song. Everyone, we're still some conspiracy. Crucified for no sin. That image beneath me, lost it in my glance for life. It all seems so unreal. I've been making it half feel this world. Let all my misery. Fill this place, come on! I want all the metalheads to fill this place tonight. We're gonna do heavy metal tonight. There's a cemetery gate! Wanna touch me? Well, I don't do it as nothing new for him to see. I didn't ask him why. I will remember the love I saw from me. Now I watch the falling rain. All my much you see now. since you took by you and giving out the way. Like the found of a newfound joy, there's no one in this way. And when she died, I should have cried what was in my soul. You left me incomplete, all alone as the memories now unfold. Believe your word, I will unlock my door and pass the cemetery gate. Sometimes when I'm alone, I wonder all night long if you're watching over me someplace far apart. And I must reverse my life, I can't live in a pain. Look to set my soul free, belong to me and I. Through all those complex years, thought I was alone. I didn't care to look around and make it on my own. And when she died, I should have cried the point within my soul. You left me incomplete, all alone as the memories now unfold. The way you were, the chance to save my soul, and my control is now in vain. Believe your word, I will unlock my door and pass the cemetery. Gentlemen, this is Sanjay Guitar, make some noise! Come on! I want to see this positive energy. Come on! Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go crazy with the song called Domination! is the price that you pay in the air. Come on, nation, consume to the guys you afraid. It's the twisted for all. Price out like stealing, manipulating for well to be. Yeah, it's hard to see. How soon we forget when there's nothing left to destroy. It's the useless war. Your eyes will see a turn of the day. I'm a waiting on the wall. Don't close the steering to your soul. After you surrender before. It's domination. Pushing to leave it. Domination. Yeah. Now that song is reaching out to defeat a thing. Body suspended if I change over raise the nail. It's a pity. Breaks off up by steps. Now watching much of your life. Break destruction's way. Like playing tricks with you break pop into your ear. Forcing you to put your eyes with the turn of today. I'm arresting on the wall. Don't close the staring to your soul. After yourself will before. It's domination. Pushing to limit. Domination. Let me hear you scream! Come on, people of Motown! Make yourself warm! Bring it out! You guys ready? Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the live band for you. Loudest cheer for the live band. Next, we have the last band. They are the guest band of tonight. They have come all the way from Shillong to perform for us at the Hornbil Evening Gala. The other band formed in the year 2023 by a group of friends in Shillong. Their music spans a wide range of genre from Western styles to Bollywood and regional influences. They have been actively performing across Northeast India. The band comprises members from both the Khasi Hills and the Naga Hills. Ladies and gentlemen, they are the Amalgam Band. Lead guitarist, we have Rashik. On the bass, we have Steve. On the keys, we have Ban. And on drums, we have Ronak. And the vocalist is none other than our very own Miss Sheila Konyak. check, test.
Check, check, check,
Check,
hello,
test.
check.
थोड़ी थोड़ी है सबकी सुनी, थोड़ा कुछ सबने कहा, थोड़ा थोड़ा समझा भी मगर दिल ये माने कहा, बस इसकी जिद है दिल बेफिक्र लापता, कैसी ये धुन है खोकर भी कुछ ना मिला, इस दिल की आदत यही है, हिल कर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है ये कोई जुबान, दिल पे परवाह, कतरा कतरा हो गया, दिल ये बिखरता गया, दुनिया गुजरती रही, टुकड़ों में चलती रही, बस इसकी जिद है दिल बेफिक्र लापता, कैसी ये धुन है खोकर भी कुछ ना मिला, इस दिल की आदत यही है, हिल कर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है ये कोई जुबान, दिल पे परवाह, दिल पे परवाह, इस दिल की आदत यही है, गिर कर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है ये कोई जुबान, इस दिल की आदत यही है, गिर कर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है ये कोई जुबान, दिल पे परवाह, दिल पे परवाह, दिल पे परवाह,
Pesta Night. Okay, so I would like to firstly introduce ourselves before we go into any singing, okay? So I have my friends all the way here, all the way from Shillong to be a part of this event with every one of you here. So when I introduce them, please give them a round of applause, all right? Okay, so I have Mr. Rashik here on the guitar. Yeah. Yes. And we have Steven on the bass. And we have Ban on the keys. And there is Ronak on drums. And as you all know, I'm from Mon. So my name is Sheila, and I want you all to have a wonderful time. And we have prepared so many songs for you to not sit on the gallery, but to come on the arena and have fun with us. All right? Okay? All right. Okay, let's go. For the life of a deputy. But I say, and I shot sheriff. I saw it was in self-defense. Oh yes, I swear. And I shot the sheriff, but I saw it was in self-defense. Sheriff John Brown always hated me. For what? I don't know. Every time I plant a seed, he say, you leave before he goes. He say, you let me before he goes. voices. All right. So I'm gonna sing this melody line, okay? So melody line nagtagawa, abni ang govido kana na day. Okay. Show me the way to your heart. Janice nanay. Joe, let's sing together, all right? Okay. Show me the way to your heart. I am searching, I'm drifting. Everything's gone far away. Here we're standing now with no words left to say. I gave you power, fell on the floor. Silence, never thought you were so there. In darkest hours, slept at your door. I wish it all would be just like before. once again. And let me find the peace of heaven. Let me find my way back home. I want this love to last forever. Back together, rise once again. The delicious sweet time. Thank you very much. Okay, so I wanted every one of you. We have a lot of songs prepared for you. Okay, so again, they all of aste kana grace gonna alchina lagi with more good songs, more dance numbers are coming later on. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so here is a song called Set Fire to the Rain. Come on. I let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you rose to claim me. It was hard, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My head is strong, on my knees, your Father weak. This day in your arms, without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew in the face. You say never true, never true. In the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch you burn, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. With you, I just say that, close my eyes, feel forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. One of these, you say never true. On the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch you burn, touch your face. Well, it hurt while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and watch you burn into the flame. Well, it guys. You guys are amazing, amazing. Okay, let's keep the energy keep going. All right. Okay, let's go. This is a song called Painkiller. I don't need no whiskey. Ooh. When I had a bad day, no prescription, honey. When my skies are gray, no popping the pills, no smoking the pill to make me feel okay. But you go down easy, baby. I would drink you by the case. You're my dose of you goes a long, long way. You're my painkiller. Oh, you take it away. You take it away. Oh, you take it. I don't need no fixing. I don't need no therapy. Your love drunk kissing is my kind of remedy. You're always looking for you like a hero on a tour when I'm feeling cursed. I don't need no doctor, honey. I don't need no nurse. You're my painkiller. Little dose of you goes a long, long way. You're my painkiller. Oh, you take it away. You take it away. Oh, you take it away. You take it away. Come on now, you have to sing with me, okay? Come on now, follow after me. La 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 la. Ooh, sing with me. La 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 la. Ooh, everybody. La 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 la. Ooh, la 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 la. One more time, all right? Ooh, come on. La 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 la. Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh. Hey, hey, killer, you're my killer, killer, you're my killer. A little dose of you goes a long, long way. You're my killer. Oh, you take it away. You take it away. Oh, you take it away. You take it away. Woo! Yes, more songs to come, all right? Okay. Yes. So, this is, stop it. This is another song, and so this is a song called Hold the Line by Doctor. It's not in a way you hold me. It's not in a way you say you care. It's not in a way you've been treating my friends. It's not in a way you said till the end. It's not in a way you look all the things that you said that you do. Hold the line. And love isn't always on time. Whoa, oh, oh. all the things that you said that you did. Come on, all the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, sing with me. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, come on, give it up for Russia. What you told me, it's not in a way that you say you're mine. It's not in a way you just came back to me. It's not in a way your love set me free. It's not in a way you look all the things that you say that you do on the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, oh, oh, for the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, oh, oh, love isn't always on time. Love isn't always on time. Love isn't always on time. Everybody say with me, love isn't always on time. Love isn't always on time. Say with me. Love isn't always on time. One more time. Love isn't always on time. Woo! You guys are amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay. Can I get every one of you down here in the arena? Come on, we have just 2 songs left. Come on, everyone. I'm gonna give you the vibe of this song, okay? Before we sing. Alright. Bun, he's gonna give you the vibe of the song. Okay. I want you to just shake it off for the night. Come on! Come on, there's a song called Chum Chum Baba. ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है. ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता है जा रहा है. ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है. ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता है जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है. ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता है जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम झूम बाबा. दिल में ख्वाब जाग जाग है निगाहें कोई कोई dance dance. आज खुश नसीब वो है जिसके बाहों में है कोई dance dance. ख्वाब जाग जाग है निगाहें कोई कोई dance dance. आज खुश नसीब वो है जिसके बाहों में है कोई dance dance. Come on. हम जवा है तुम जवा हो, तुम जवा है तुम जवा. are amazing. All right. So this is the last song for the night. Okay. If you like this last song, we will prolong it for 1 hour. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Okay. So, this song, every time, I'm going to tell you a story about the song, okay? Every time I come back to Mon, every Christmas, I hear this song all over the place. There. Okay, so if you don't sing and dance to this song, alright, night with them one day. There. Alright, let's go, Van. Thank you. Thank you. Ready for the song? Okay, let's go. Jimmy, Jimmy, aja, aja, aja. Jimmy, 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 aja, aja, aja. आजा ये मेरे साथ ये जागे जागे रात पुकारे तुझे सुना दे दो है धुन Jimmy, 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 आजा, आजा, आजा. Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा, आजा, आजा. आजा है मेरे साथ ये जागे जागे रात पुकारे दो है देता है वो है धुन Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा, आजा, आजा. Jimmy, 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 आजा, आजा, आजा. Come on. ऐसे कौन सा तू है क्यों खामोशी तोड़ दे जीना क्या तू हार के पागल पर छोड़ दे ऐसे कौन सा है क्यों खामोशी तोड़ दे जीना क्या तू हार के पागल पर छोड़ दे आजा है मेरे साथ यूं गाए जाके रात पुकारे तुझे सुना दे वो है धुन Jimmy, 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 आजा Jimmy, 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 आजा, आजा, आजा है मेरे साथ ये जागे जागे रात पुकारा तुझे धुन सुना दे वो है धुन Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा, आजा, आजा है मेरे साथ ये जागे जागे रात पुकारे तुझे सुना दे वो है धुन
You guys are amazing! Give it up for Montown! Woohoo! Thank you guys. Shalao, I think she needs a little bit of break.
We will do one more song. One last song for you guys.
The piano is just messing with you, okay? So anyways, we're gonna do one more song, but to be honest, we haven't practiced the song, okay? Since the crowd is amazing, give it up for yourself one more time! Woo! Okay. So this is a song called Super Hornbil. Everyone sing with me! Are you all ready to sing along? 1, 2, go! Super amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amalgam Band. Your performance, Marathon Night Special. I know you want more performance, but we'll call it a day. Tomorrow we have more performance coming up. Join us tomorrow, okay? We have a lot of exciting solo artists and also bands coming and performing for us tonight. Sorry, tomorrow, not tonight. Tomorrow, we'll begin tomorrow. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all. We'll see you tomorrow. And then the best that are coming tomorrow are the Great Decade Vintage Chord, 5 minutes band. And for the rappers, we have Justino, JME, Salvino, and for the solo artists, we have Yanto Wangshan, Nan Wang, Haunted, and a lot of interesting artists coming tomorrow. See you all tomorrow, same time, same venue, same energy. Good night, everyone. Good night. This is Miss Ichiwangyo, your MC, signing off for the night.